Welcome to M_POS, the point-of-sale system for M&M Enterprise Variety. When you launch M_POS, the main screen appears with the item card on the left and the keypad on the right. If account management is enabled, a login dialog appears automatically. Enter your user ID and password, then click Login. If account management is off, M_POS runs in single user mode, no login required. The customer display on the second monitor shows a welcome screen, while the system is ready to scan. The main POS screen has 3 sections. On the left is the cart panel, showing each scanned item with barcode, department, name, price, quantity, tax, and subtotal. In the center, log OFF, X, Z1, Z2, and receipt buttons at the top. Below that are the colored department shortcut buttons, then the numeric keypad and quick cash buttons, plus subtotal, debit, and cash. On the far right is the customer-facing cart showing items, and the amount due in large green numbers. At the top right are the manager buttons, Guide, Data MGR, Barked MGR, Voice CFG, Trigger ADV, Sys CFG, ACCT MGR, and Close POS. To add an item, scan its barcode. The name, price, and department appear instantly in the cart. If the item is not in your database, M_POS searches the web automatically. To set quantity before scanning, press QTY, enter the number, then scan. For example, QTY 3, then scan, adds 3 of that item. Items without a barcode can be added using the department buttons directly. Department buttons let you ring up items by price without a barcode. Type the price on the keypad first, then press the department button such as wine, beer, or no tax. The item is added with that department's tax rate applied. The gold star HST button is the default department for general taxable goods. Press subtotal to show the total with tax. For cash, enter the amount then press cash. Change is displayed and announced by voice. For debit or credit, press debit. You can split payments, process part cash, then continue with debit for the balance. After payment, press receipt to print or save the customer receipt. The output format is set in system settings under display and report. The Lotto CR button records a lottery credit against the current sale. $183.58. Thank you for shopping at M&M Enterprise Variety. Press Have a good day. The item is removed and the total updated. If a cashier has a void limit, voids above that limit require manager approval. To clear all items at once, press C.all. Use with caution. M_POS provides 3 report types. X report, real-time snapshot, does not reset counters. Z1 report, daily close. Marks transactions as closed. Z2 report, period close, weekly or monthly. All reports include department totals, payment breakdown, tax summary, and clerk name. The customer display runs on a second monitor. On the left is the item list. On the right is an advertisement panel that shows promotions triggered by scanned items. To enable, System Settings, System tab, Customer Display equals yes. Open Barcode Manager by pressing Barked MGR. Scan or type a barcode and press Search. Status shows registered or searching web. Press F1 save/update to save. Press delete to remove a product. When you scan a new barcode, M_POS searches the web automatically for product information and an image. Once found, fill in missing details and press save to register the item. Open Voice Master by pressing Voice CFG. Select a voice from the drop-down, Microsoft Edge Neural Voices, Internet required. Adjust speed, pitch, and volume with the sliders. Enter the thank you message in Messages. Press F5 to preview. Open Advertisement Manager by pressing Trigger ADV. Scan the advertised item barcode. Add trigger items, products that activate this ad. The advertisement script is read aloud by voice. Press Regan for an AI-generated suggestion. Open System Settings by pressing Sys CFG. The Store tab has company name, address, phone, and Hawaii Standard Time/Gulf Standard Time number. The clerk field sets the default cashier name when account management is off. Customer display, yes if you have a second monitor. Account MGMT, yes for multi-user login. NO for single user mode. It is $177 yes to enable the analytics dashboard. Thank you Station for shopping ID. At M&M Unique name for this terminal. Have a good day. Layout ratio divides the main screen between cart and button panel. Output mode, file PDF, file text, printer, or preview only. Max jars PER line, 32 for 58mm thermal paper. Enabled sites is a comma-separated list of barcode lookup sources in priority order. Sources include Open Food Facts, UPC ItemDB, Go UPC, Wine Searcher, and LCBO. Fewer sites means faster lookup per scan. Full hierarchy, admin, full access. Manager, sales, voids, reports, settings. Cashier, sales and X report. Viewer, reports only. Default admin, ID equals admin, password equals 0000. Change immediately. Open Account Manager from ACCT MGR. Users tab, green dot equals active. Click a user to edit name, role, void limit, email, and phone. New, create a user. CHGPWD, change password. Deactivate, disable account. Open Data Manager by pressing Data MGR, select Date Range, filter by department or clerk, then press F5 Run Analysis. Dashboard shows 8 KPI cards, department summary table, pie charts, and a revenue bar chart. Daily tab, dual axis chart, blue equals daily sales, gold equals cumulative. Separate scales keep both lines visible. Peak hours, sales by hour of day. Gold bars are your busiest hours. Products tab, best-selling items ranked by revenue. Top 15 in bar chart, top 30 in
It is
table.
$141.61.
Donut pie chart showing payment method mix as percentages. Clerks tab, sales by staff member. Voids tab, voided transactions with daily trend and clerk breakdown. Transactions tab, individual lines, 7-day limit. Inventory tab, product database statistics, total, average, median, max, and min price. Sessions tab, login history when account management is enabled. Copy button, copies preview text to clipboard. Thank you for shopping at M&M Enterprise Variety. Have a good day.
Please charge for the container deposit. It is $22.80. Thank you for shopping at M&M Enterprise Variety. Have a good day.